Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit Naira in stake.com using bank transfer method. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. To do that, open your stake, click on this icon right here and click on deposit. Now what you have to do is to click on local currency. Click on deposit once more. They're going to give you this option. The minimum amount is 1,000 Naira. So I'm going to use 1,000 Naira in this video. So click on deposit. It's going to bring out this tab for you to make the bank transfer. So what you have to do is to copy this account number and go to your bank app. Paste it here. And you're going to see it's going to bring out the Providence Bank. Click on it. Make sure you select the exact amount which you selected in stake.com. Click on next. You can now make the transfer. Successful. Now let's go back to our stake account. Now click on the blue icon. Click here if payment is done. Click on it. Finalizing transaction. Sometimes you may need to close the window by yourself, so click on the blue link. As you can see right here, we have successfully deposited 1,000 Naira to our stake account. So that's how you deposit Naira in your stake account. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.